This is Lenovo ThinkBook 16P model G4. This is one of the decent machines, especially for editing and gaming. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery, upgrade the RAM, and even you can replace your CMOS battery. First of all, need to check the model number which printed at the back. Okay, and then you're going to switch it off, disconnect any charging cable or anything that connected through the USB. Flip the laptop, take out all the screws from the back cover, and then the back cover will be ready to pull this off. And once the back cover removed, we're going to disconnect the battery first. Remember, the battery first. Don't try to take out the RAM or any other component without removing the battery connector. So let's do that. Hopefully you would enjoy the rest of the video, and if you do like, please don't forget to like and subscribe.